Here's a brief guide to your Spaceships Camper Car. It's got a comfy double bed. There's loads of storage space, and bedding and outdoor furniture can be added to your booking as an extra. The camper car comes with a 12-volt chiller, a 5-litre water tank and camping gas stove. There's also an awning to extend your outdoor living space. To put up the awning, first lay it flat on the ground in a T shape. Locate the two eyes at the top of the awning. Hook the eyes onto the two pegs on the roof of your camper car. Extend the tent poles into the two eyes at the front of the awning and then tighten with the guy ropes. Peg down and then locate the eyes to attach to the side of the vehicle. This helps to hold your awning in place. Attach the Velcro loops around the tent poles. This will secure the side of the awning. You can roll up and tie the front flap. Just add some outdoor furniture and you've got a camper car with awning. Now you're ready for takeoff on a fantastic Spaceships road trip.